Omworeko gw'amatungo ogwatandikire aha Rwakatano guhendire nyuma y'ebaziyo kandi omu butumwa bwa President Museveni obushomerwe Joy Kabasi ayihanangirize abantu konjera amani omu byokulisa.
Agriculture, for example, has never existed without interacting with industry, even in the most primitive societies. In our nation, therefore, we need to scale up commercial livestock farming and industrial processing to enable us find lasting solutions to our economic problems.
Abahona baraganisibwe obutare bw'amatungo hamwe n'ebikugargamu kuri nibongera aha mutindo gukurisaje. Kabasi arukushoma obutumwa bw'omwebembezi w'ihanga agizire ngu aha murundogo gavumenti etiramani ombyo buhinji hamwe n'oburisa kumuringo gumwe gukurwanisa obworo kurabira omu kitongore echa Operation Wealth Creation.
And good climate give Uganda a comparative advantage over other countries in the world. It is very clear that agriculture shall continue to be a leading resource base in the struggle against poverty.
Habireho no kwa ebirabo aharyabo abakirize bagenzi babo okugira entendungi ekikoreka ngo babire nibazirisaje. Omuhanguzi w'omworeko ogu abire nargasanga omu district ya Kiruhura. Bamwe omubarisa bashabire gavumenti ebayambe kubasa kukuma omutindo gwente z'enyankore.
Ebizibu binkushanga mu kurisa enti z'enyankore ndabibara nkazitene mate konkazi y'inamate wabano irebereraje kandi nomanya ekika kyazo.
Omworeko ogu gukatandika aha Rwakatano guhendire izoba rya nyuma y'ebazyo kandi gwetabirwemu abantu bingi ababire nibenda kureba aha matungo gebika bitarukushana. Gashakwa Harrison Kagure.